Today I shall explain some important concepts about areas related to circles. Now first number, this is a circle of radius r and O is the center. So for a circle of radius r, diameter equal to 2r because it is diameter equal to 2 into radius and circumference equal to 2 into pi into r, that is 2 pi r, and area equal to pi r square. These concepts are necessary before starting the exercise 12.1. Okay. Now question point number 2. This is a circle whose center is O and OA and OB are two radii and angle AOB equal to theta. Okay. And this portion, that is the region between the two radii and the included arc, this portion is known as sector or minor sector. So area of the minor sector or sector, because sometimes minor word is not written. So area of minor sector or sector is same thing. So area of the minor sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Now number 3. This is O is the center and OA and OB is the radii. And if we join the AB, that is AB is a chord. So 2 AOB is a circle. When a circle with one of the vertex is centered and it is within a circle, then area of the triangle AOB is half r square sin theta. This is the formula to derive the area of a triangle which is within a circle and one of the vertex of the triangle is at the center of the circle. Okay. So it is half r square sin theta. Now next, O is the center of the circle, OA and OB are the radii and AB, this portion is known as the length of the arc. Okay. Whole portion is the circumference of the circle or perimeter of the circle and this portion is the length of the arc. So length of the arc is denoted by L and L equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now next, this is the O is the center of the circle, OA and OB equal to radii and this angle AOB equal to theta. You know this small portion is known as minor sector and this big portion is known as major sector. I have written here, this portion is dotted portion is major sector. So area of the major sector is, this angle you look here theta and this angle means reflects AOB. Angle AOB is theta and reflects AOB, that is 360 minus theta. Reflects AOB equal to 360 minus theta. So area of the major sector equal to 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Now next, O is the center of the circle, OA and OB are the radii, angle AOB equal to theta and if we join AB, that is AB is a chord, so this portion is known as the minor segment. The dotted portion is known as the minor segment, means minor segment is the region between a arc and a chord. Okay, between a arc and a chord portion is the minor segment. So how you derive the formula of the minor segments area? Now area of the sector AOB minus area of the triangle AOB. So I have written here area of the minor segment equal to area of the sector. Sector means minor sector minus area of the triangle AOB. You know the formula area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle I have written here half r square sin theta. Okay. So you write here half r square sin theta. So area of the minor segment equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle AOB. So formula is theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sin theta. Now next, this portion you look here properly. this is a circle and AB is a chord. So this portion is minor part, this portion is larger part. So larger part is known as major segment. So how you can derive the formula of the major segment? The area of the major segment equal to area of circle minus area of the minor segment. Okay, this is the minor segment. You have to subtract. Area of the circle is pi r square and area of the minor segment, you write the formula within bracket theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sin theta. So these are the formulas which will be used whenever we will start exercise 12 means 12.1, 12.2 and 12.3. Okay.